I'm Lauren Fenty, founder and curator of the Bargain Bead Box, and I'm here to talk to you about February's box. So in February's box, all of our members are going to be getting an extra free strand. I'm going to tell you about why, then I'm going to show you the strand. The first portion will be spoiler free. The second portion will have some sneak peeks, so it's up to you how much you want to watch. But to start off, we have a great relationship with our lapidary partners, and they called me up. They were like, so, you know how you really liked the sample that we dyed for you of those beads? And I was like, yeah, no, they were great. The perfect accent color. They were like, well, something happened and they're not that color anymore. So they dyed the large batch and it just did not come out exactly as we were expecting. It was a much louder, brighter, still absolutely beautiful color, but it doesn't mesh as well with what we had envisioned for February. So we had to come up with a solution. Working with them, they were able, basically, they just pretty much were like, look, we'll give you these at cost. We don't have any more of this shape, unfortunately, because we'd already dyed them all before we found out there was a problem. But we have another similar shape that we can dye for you. And I was like, okay, great. Let's just go with the same dye we use for one of the other products, just to be safe. It'll match. It'll be less of an accent strand. It'll just be more our overarching theme color. So that's what we did. We went ahead and included the free strand for y'all because, I mean, they were looking to get rid of them anyway. We got a great price and we figured they'll go great with January or December's beads. And honestly, you can use them with the February beads just fine. They just didn't quite fit the color palette we had planned. So now we're going to take a look and show you. So if you don't want any spoilers for February, stop now. All right, so this is the strand that we're sending y'all for free. It is an 8mm blue Malaysian jade, which is the trade name for this dyed quartz round bead. And it just came out a very, very vivid blue. It is lovely, but the color we were looking for is more like this crystal strand from the box, which is it was supposed to be more of a turquoise green, like a nice calm color. And it is, again, a gorgeous blue, but it is not that. So we're still sending it to y'all. It's still absolutely usable, beautiful beads. They have a great polish. They're a very pretty color. They're just not exactly what we had planned. So instead, to go with the rest of the box, we're going to be sending you, and this is where things get a little spoilery. So we're going to send you these beautiful 6x4mm faceted rondelles, again in Malaysia jade, that dyed quartz. But these are going to be more of like a really pretty burgundy cranberry color to coordinate with some of the other pieces in the box. And yeah, so overall, I mean, these things happen sometimes when you're curating a box. You just kind of have to roll with it, work with it. We have some really good relationships with our partners, which helps a lot. And being able to get 2 strands for the price of 1, I'm not mad about, honestly. I hope you enjoy the extra beads, and it will take our box from 17 to 18 items. So yeah, this particular shipment is going to be available if you subscribe by February 9th. Everyone who subscribes before February 9th, or who already is subscribed, will receive this free strand and this strand in your February box. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps explain why there is some very vivid blue in your February shipment. And thank you to all of our members. We hope you enjoy your February beads.